दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको लेके जा रही हूँ सरसों के खेत में। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये सरसों का फूल है। दीज आर मस्टर्ड फ्लावर्स। और किस तरह से मस्टर्ड सीड्स, सरसों का बीज हमें मिलता है और उससे किस तरह से तेल बनता है सरसों का, आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं। Friends, as you can see, this is the mustard field. Can you see this flourishing mustard flowers? They are looking beautiful. And from here, as you can see, from here there is stems. There are some stems which appear right from the base of the flower. As you can see, there are the stems. See, these are the stems you can see, and inside the stems are mustard seeds. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, इसके अंदर सरसों का बीज है। मैं आपको नजदीक से दिखाने वाली हूँ। आप देख रहे हैं, as you can see, this is very 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 new. See, this is, as you can see, these are mustard seeds which are green in color. As they ripen, जैसे जैसे ये आपको दिख रहा होगा, ये छोटे छोटे हरे रंग का मस्टर्ड के सीड्स हैं। और जब ये पक जाते हैं, when they ripen, as you can see, can you see this? They become brownish in color, right? And further, when they ripen and when they are dried in the sun, they become black. So after that, these ripened seeds are sent to the mills.
Thresher.
Yes, the thresher, they will thresh it out from machine, and then the seeds will be sent to the mill, the oil mill, and from there we get the
Grinding.
mustard oil. So friends, I hope you learned how to make mustard seeds, and from mustard seeds mustard oil. और अब मुझे यकीन है आप लोगों ने सीखा ज़रूर होगा आज के वीडियो से। So do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video.